to fix Hulu error code. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Usually the error code appears due to streaming content, app glitching or network problems. So today we'll be discussing about some solutions that could help. First on the list, you have to check for the Hulu server status. In order to do so, go for the website down detector and then search for Hulu. If other people have also reported the same issue, it could be server side. In that case, you will have to wait until it is resolved from their side. However, if it is not the issue, it could be internet connection. In that case, open your browser and search for speed test. Run speed test and check if your internet is stable and fast enough. If not, contact your internet service provider. For the next step, click on the three dots on your browser and go to settings. After that, go to privacy and security, and from there, search for your cache or cookies. After that, select it for both basic and advanced and clear the data. But if you are using an Android or iOS users, you could go to the app info and then from there, select on clear cache. For iOS, click on offload app and then reinstall. Once this is done, you can restart your device and check if the issue is still persists on Hulu. And if it does, you have to contact to the customer service. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.